So a quick analysis on our WTI crude oil for today, and let's see where our price will be moving for today. As you can see, we are actually going still bullish. By the way, our trend is actually still bullish. It's still giving us an uptrend move, and if you are to place your 10 period moving average, you will see that it is still above our 10 period moving average. As you can see, we've got this bullish. Our break is out. We've gotten this break above our previous higher highs, and definitely we are still going to be going bullish on our 4 hour time frame. And today, this week, today on will be bullish. Now let's confirm it. Let's by going to our daily time frame. As you can see, we are planning to hit this our key area here. This is our previous liquidity area here, around about 125.66. We are currently at 120. We still have about 5 more to go. We are at 120. We want to hit 125. That is exactly where we are predicting to go for today. So our price has opened, no much movement yet, but definitely we are going to be going bullish at least between Thursday and Friday. You should be able to hit 125. But today, this week, yesterday was bullish. Day before yesterday was actually bullish. Today too would actually be closing bullish. So let's go bullish and buy our WTI crude oil for today. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and like.